Okay, so today, defense namin. It's me and Justin J. Santos. Ito yung mga pagkain na pinrovide namin. Kunsinta, mansanas, mango. Kunsinta, mansanas, pomegranate. Kunsinta, mansanas, mixed fruit. And ayusin ko lang to. So, for documentary purposes, kasi minsan lang naman ako mag-research. Actually, ulitin namin ito lang ilang beses eh, di ba? Kasi for college and all that stuff. So, I'm just gonna fucking document it because like, why not? Di ba? Yan ang sabi bang bawal na. Papasa nyo kami o kami papasa sa inyo? Turulala, tralala. Kinakabahan ako pa, yes, of course. Sino hindi, di ba? Inaral ko naman, okay? I studied in all that. Title namin, the levels of engagement in YouTube, in using YouTube as an online learning tool, as a learning tool, among major high school students in Albas International School, Philippine curriculum. Honestly, bumumbo ko talaga ako. Like, I am so dumb. Pero I believe na kahit bobo ka, kaya mo i-defend your decision. Kasi it's a matter of choice. It's a matter of choice. Hindi pa kahit bobo ka, yung hindi ka bobo. Siyempre, piliin mo magbago. Paiwan mo magbago. At least, mag-effort ka man lang kasi minsan lang na nagkaroon ng research. Yung next research na is college. Trilililo